I really believe that we're going to see the price of Hamster Kombat have a mega reversal, and the price is going to end up pumping. So if you take a look at the past few days, right? Well, ever since it got listed 30 days ago, the price has just been dropping. 14 days ago, the price has dropped by about 11.1%. 7 days ago, it's dropped by about 10.4%. If you take a look at the graph, ever since it got listed here, right, it has just been having a painful death. But I've got some good news for you. And I really believe that this is obviously going to really make your portfolio smile, because for the first time in a long time, the price of Hamster is about to do a very good price percentage bump, and we're going to see the price pump by about 30% to about 40% in a short period of time. So why do I really suggest or think this is going to be the case? Well, it's because of the technical analysis. Right now, as you are seeing this particular level, it is a very good point of control. The point of control as far as the price of Combat is concerned is really concentrated on this particular level. So this rectangle represents a lot of contracts being exchanged between the buyers and the sellers, and right now we're seeing a lot of resilience and break in structure with regards to the trajectory that we had, because we were constantly having lower lows like that, and higher lows. Okay, so now we're beginning to see a change in structure in the smaller time frame, and for the first time in a long time, we're seeing the VWAP, which is the yellow line, sort of starting to make its way up. So right now we're making a very early prediction, because we really love to get in early, and this is one of the reasons why I'm saying obviously the downtrend as far as Hamster Combat is coming to an end. Of course, we might have a little bit of downside, which can happen. But first of all, we're about to pump. And if you're watching me right now, after the price of Hamster Combat has pumped, you guys already know that I'm all about my business and I've got the best trading signals. So obviously what we're going to experience in the next few days is we're going to go back to this level, okay? And potentially we could end up pumping as high as 0.5 cents, which is about 0.005 dollars. Okay, so this is gonna be our next grab with regards to the liquidity, because there's a lot of stop losses that can be triggered when or if the price pumps above 0.5 cent. Okay, so this is one of the reasons why you are supposed to be targeting this level. And if you take a look at the price difference, right, that's almost over a 30% price increase. So we're going to see a very aggressive push towards the upside as far as this reversal is concerned. So if you guys have been frustrated by Hamster Combat, well, I've got some good news for you. The dump is almost over. So in case we end up going lower, of course we might end up grabbing the liquidity here. So let me just use the smaller time frame. Okay, so in case we end up going lower, which I highly doubt, because there's already a lot of trading volume which is coming through. Like right now it's pretty early, but I can tell you for a fact that there's a lot of big players buying up Hamster Combat tokens right now. So this is one of the reasons why we're going to have a dramatic push towards the upside. So taking a look at the market cap of Hamster Combat, we are still very undervalued, 242 million US dollars. For such a very big hyped project, this is absolutely nothing. Remember, Hamster Combat is sort of carrying the clout for Ton blockchain, which is the open network. Hamster Combat, Notecoin, dogs. These are like very, very important key players for the tone ecosystem. So this is one of the reasons why a lot of people are going to be looking forward to the success of this particular project. And Pavel Durov and a lot of influential people in the tone ecosystem are going to make sure that it ends up pumping. However, as far as Hamster Kombat is concerned, right, one of the biggest companies got bit. That was market making Hamster Kombat. Well, one of the leaders of Gotbit was arrested, so obviously that sort of stalled the process of market making this particular project. But I'm sure the dust has settled, and the team is obviously going to be pumping and just doing what they have to do to bring back the hype, because a lot of people are slowly losing interest. So yeah, let's take a look at what's going to happen. And this is an official buy signal from me. Of course, this is not financial advice. Whatever you do, please do your own due diligence. But I really believe we are definitely about to witness a Hamster Kombat pump in the next foreseeable future, and it starts right now. In 2017, I warned you. I told you that the price of BNB was going to do more than 100x. Price of BNB was only $2.66. Personally, I invested in Binance when it was around 30 cents to about 60 cents. Now take a look at the current price of BNB as it stands 7 years later. The current price is $598, almost $600. So I told you back in the day that this one was a winner. Take a look at the market cap of BNB back in the day. It was around 266 million US dollars. If you do not believe me, go to my YouTube channel, find this video and watch and listen to the conviction that I had, because I knew exactly what I was talking about. This comment is obviously 7 years ago, and this one was saying in 3 weeks from now you will be laughing at this price. Thank you for the foreshadowing. All right, now this is a very interesting comment. If you do not buy now, you will lose out. I bought when it was 28 cents and it was never dipping that much. So take a look at this. Megascan did follow my advice. He bought at around 28 cents and his life was obviously amazing. It has been amazing, and obviously his life was changed due to the fact that I recommended. What the hell was I doing in 2017? How come I didn't buy 50,000 BNB? We have another example of somebody who didn't take my advice, right? So he was saying stop hyping things too much, and then saying we should not take this as investment advice. Two faces. Well, I guess he didn't get to invest in it. And yeah, take a look at this. 2 years ago, somebody said, how sad now, ha 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 ha. So everybody was pretty much laughing at him. So ladies and gentlemen, just like I told you, right, I know how to pick some very good projects, and I know what I'm talking about because I've been trading for a very long period of time. And this is one of the reasons why I want you to join my cryptocurrency trading group right now. You need to be part of my trading group, because we are definitely going to be finding and trading the best cryptocurrencies, and we're going to be making around 200% per month. Why do I say 200%? Because we have the capability of making about 10% per day. 10% per day in 31 days is definitely over 200% per month, conservatively guaranteed. The other important thing about our trading group is we understand the meme culture. We understand how to deploy projects on pump.fun. A lot of you guys have been hearing about how people are making millions investing in cryptocurrency meme coins. Do you know that it's not really by chance that those guys are making millions? They have a system. They get in projects early, before these projects are even more than 5,000 US dollars as the market cap. By the time you guys are getting to invest in a lot of meme coins when they're about 70 million US dollars, guaranteed, a lot of people have already made millions of dollars. So this is one of the reasons why we invest in cryptocurrency meme projects under 5,000 US dollars as their market cap. And this is one of the reasons why you definitely need to be part of a community that has got people who've got buying power, who've got the technical know-how, and who understand these things. Lastly, we also have trading consultations and tutorials. So let's say, for example, you're an absolute beginner, you don't know anything about trading, we do have those one-to-one video consultations, tutorials, etc. So the most interesting part about all this is it's only 500 US dollars, and you only pay this one time. It's a lifetime fee as long as I'm alive, right? This is the only money that you're going to be paying. Let's say, for example, you have a $1,000 account, right? And you pay the 500 US dollars. Did you know that if you are even remaining with $500, by the end of the month, you're going to end up making 2,500, which is absolutely worth it. This is a very fair price, and due to our expertise, our team, and our dedication, 500 US dollars is absolutely nothing. So this is one of the reasons why you have to take action right now. Do not be like these guys who sort of didn't really get to believe in me when I was talking about buying Binance coin in 2017, 7 years ago. A lot of these people missed grand opportunities. So this is one of the reasons why you have to be part of an amazing trading group, amazing people, and just basically bump your portfolio to new heights. So in case you want to be part of this amazing group of ours, all you got to do is email me. This is the email 2019nextapp@gmail.com. Remember, the fee is only 500 US dollars. It's a one-time lifetime fee. Let's make this money.